If you do what I'm going to tell you in today's video, 90% of your desires will come true. So make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping it, so that you can understand that whole strategy and apply it to manifest all of your desires. And if you are visiting our channel for the first time, subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you can watch more videos from our YouTube channel. So let's get right to it. Well, as humans, we all have some desires. Some of us want to manifest money, and they really need it. Some of us want to manifest peace of mind in our lives because we have everything else but peace of mind. Some people want manifestly beautiful and luxurious cars. Some people want to manifest a house, abundance, a job, relationships, and the list is endless. We have been taught that we can get everything just by assuming it to be ours, and that's what the law of assumption says. Yes, we manifest things by assuming them to be ours, but in some cases, assumption or even affirmations or anything else doesn't work. But the strategy that I am going to share with you here is super easy, and it works for everything. Well, we all know what we need, but do you know that you desire a particular thing? Do you know why you want what you want? If you need money, why do you need money? If you need a particular person in your life, why do you need that person? Why don't you want any other person? If you want to manifest a car, why do you want to manifest a car? First, I want you to know the reason for your desire. Most of you might know the reason behind your desire, but I want you to take a journal and write down all the reasons behind your desire. So take a journal or some other kind of diary to write down the reasons for your desires. You can also write on your smartphone. A question may pop up in your mind. Why do I want you to explain the reasons for your desire? Actually, when you know all the reasons, you get to know how important it is for you to manifest your desire. So you must know the reasons because it will cause unrest in you. It will help you come out of your comfort zone and give you the courage to go after your dream and pursue it. It will give you a reason to do something to manifest your desire. Well, after knowing all the reasons behind your desire, I want you to know what it takes to manifest it. That's the most important part of the process. Get to know what qualities are needed to manifest a particular thing. If you desire to manifest money, you need to know what it takes to do so. If you want to manifest a desired person, you need to know what it takes to manifest that particular person. If you want to manifest a job, you need to know what qualities you need to have to manifest that job. Let's say you want to manifest money. What qualities do you think you should have to attract money into your life? What is the thing that can attract money? You need to have an idea of it. The fact is that we have been taught that we can manifest everything just by imagining it or assuming it to be ours. But the reality is a little bit different. You need something to attract something. You need certain qualities to be the person you want to be. So let's say getting money is your desire, so we need to know what it takes to manifest money. For me, it takes confidence to manifest money. You must be grateful for the money you have to attract more money into your life. You must be hardworking to manifest money. You should have some business skills to make money, and the list goes on. Well, now I want you to take the diary or journal again. First, write your desire in it. You need money, you need a job, you need a person, or whatever you need in your life. Just write about it in your journal. After writing your wish, as I said, you will have to briefly explain the reasons behind your desire. You will have to write down the reasons why you want to manifest a particular thing in your life. When you are done with this, you will now list all the qualities that a person needs to manifest a particular trait. You know what your desire is, and you have written it in your journal. You have written the reasons behind your desire. Now you will list all the characteristics that you need to manifest your desire. First, get to know what it takes to manifest your desire, and then write down all those qualities in a row in your journal. Now you have a clear idea of what it takes and how long it will take to manifest your desire. When you are done with this, you will move on to the next practical step. Now I'm going to tell you the strategy to manifest your desire. Whatever your desire is, you will manifest it for sure using this method. First, analyze yourself. Do you have all the qualities that are required to manifest the things you desire? Do you have all that it takes to manifest your desire? Analyze yourself and write down all the qualities you lack. Make a list of what you need to manifest your desire. After writing down all the qualities you lack, you will write affirmations. Positive affirmations, you know, can work magic. In the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings, affirmations have utmost importance and can change the whole story. Affirmations have the power to change thoughts and mindsets. The best way to put some ideas in your brain is to use positive affirmations. Well, you will now write affirmations based on what you lack. Before writing affirmations, you need to know what makes an affirmation effective and powerful so that you can write affirmations that show results quickly. experts suggest that affirmations should be written in the present tense. For example, if you want to manifest money, you can write an affirmation like, "I've manifested money in unexpected ways." Affirmations should also express gratitude. It makes your affirmations more impactful and they change your mindset. For example, to manifest money, you can write an affirmation such as, "I'm thankful, I've manifested money." But remember that your affirmation should be based on what you desire and what you need to manifest that desire. If you need confidence to manifest your desire, your affirmation should express that you are a confident person and that you are grateful for it. If you need education or something like that, your affirmation should express that you have what is required to manifest your desire. Your affirmation shouldn't exceed 3 sentences, and you are required to write 3 affirmations for each quality you need to manifest your desire. You may be lacking in many things, so you will have to write 3 affirmations for each quality you need to manifest your desire. Write down these affirmations in a journal. Now all the stuff is ready, and you just have to act upon the process to manifest whatever you want to manifest. You have to repeat these affirmations each day. You can choose any time of the day to speak to them. You can even write them down in your journal each day. What is most important is the sort of imagination with which you write, because if your ideas aren't effective, they will not work. So spend as much time as you can coming up with positive, effective, and powerful affirmations, and you can speak them to yourself at any time of the day. There are no restrictions on how many times you speak each affirmation to yourself. It will take time, but your mind will start believing that you have all the qualities you were lacking. When your mind accepts your affirmations as truth, it will trigger you to act as if you have acquired that quality. Let's say you need to be thankful for the money you have so that you can attract more money. You will write an affirmation expressing that you are thankful for the money you have. Repeating this affirmation will make you thankful, and you will attract money into your life. In the beginning, your mind will resist accepting your affirmations as true because it will observe and confirm whether 3D reality matches what you are claiming. And when your mind observes that reality is different from what you are claiming, it will resist, and sometimes you will feel irritated because your mind will refuse to accept your affirmations and force you to stop repeating them. But you have to be consistent and strong. You can also combine affirmations with visualizations. For example, if you need to be more social to manifest your desire, but you aren't social, you can visualize yourself as a more social person along with speaking affirmations expressing yourself as a social person. If you combine visualization and affirmations, you will see things change quickly. To visualize effectively, it is a good idea to write a scene and then visualize it. So try to write a scene that expresses that you have all the qualities that are required to manifest a specific person. Now imagine and visualize that particular scene again and again. Close your eyes, get into a meditative state, and visualize the scene. Feel as if it is happening in reality and you are part of it. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of feeling. He wrote a book titled "Feeling is the Secret," in which he explained that assumptions, visualizations, and affirmations will not work unless you feel when they are true. The more deeply you feel your assumptions, the more quickly you manifest your desires. And if you can't feel your desire, if you can't feel living in the state of your desire, you can't manifest it. It is necessary for you to feel yourself living the life you want to live, and you will manifest it. Your desires can come true if you believe that you have manifested them and feel it. He says that manifestation depends on feelings. If you can't feel your affirmation or assumption to be true, it means you have some doubts somewhere inside. And if you have any doubts, you will manifest nothing. In the manifesting community, doubts are treated as limiting thoughts. They actually limit your power to manifest your desires. Limiting thoughts, in most cases, reside in the subconscious mind, so the person doesn't even know that he has some limiting thoughts. But limiting thoughts can also be removed easily. Positive affirmations not only make your mind believe that you have manifested your desires, but they also help you confront negative thoughts if you have any. In the beginning, when you have limiting thoughts, your mind will reject the positive affirmations, but when you keep on putting them in your mind, you will overcome all the negativity, and positive thoughts will occupy all the space in your mind. So affirmations are the best tool that can help you manifest your goal. But the method of writing effective affirmations that I shared with you is the most effective way. If you write affirmations after knowing what qualities you need to manifest your desire, you will write the most effective affirmations. If you want your mind to accept your affirmations as reality, then you will have to choose the best time to speak them to yourself. The best time to speak affirmations is when your mind isn't fully active and alert, because during this time, your mind will have no resistance and will not ask for validation. This time your mind will accept as true what you claim without any question. When you go to bed, this is the best time to say affirmations because at this time you are tired and not alert. It will accept all of your claims as true. And if you sleep while saying your affirmations, it will have great positive effects and enhance the manifestation process. So whatever your desire is, just know why you want to manifest it and what you need to manifest it. And then write affirmations based on what you need to manifest your desire. Repeat these affirmations to yourself and try combining this process with visualizations. You will soon manifest your desire. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.